my name is Robyn and this is my closet. I hope you guys are having a great day and getting ready for Labor Day. I am filming a bunch of videos before I leave for Chicago. So you will probably see me in the same outfit. So I apologize for that, but I have to get my filming done so I can maybe try and upload while I'm gone. So I have a Slay Glam box. Do you want to see what's in it? Give me 1 second. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like the content. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. So let's get into it. I got Slay Glam, I want to say about 5 or 6 months ago. Everybody was getting it, so I jumped on the bandwagon, and I think I received it for 1 or 2 months. The products were very nice, but I didn't need it anymore. And so I stopped it for a little while, and then I saw YouTubers unboxing it again, and I'm like, okay, I need it back again. So I ordered it. I ordered it a few months ago, and I think I just got it. So it comes in, I opened it upside down. I'm sorry. It comes in this little purse-like thing, but it doesn't hold up very well. It comes obviously in the plastic thing, then in this cardboard thing, but this doesn't hold up very well. So I don't know if there's a card. So it's got everything that's in here. I think it comes with 5 products, and it says thank you for subscribing. And the first thing, Rashabi Cosmetics. Don't know what it is. It's in the color Slay. I'm thinking it's a lipstick, lip gloss. So let's get into it. And oh, it's a really pretty color. I'm filming a lot of makeup boxes, so I'm not sure what order I'm gonna upload in. So if you see that I don't try it on, it's because I already uploaded something that I tried on, but I do love this color. It's just dark enough, and I am gonna swatch it. It's dark, but I think once I put on a lip liner and maybe a lip gloss, it will kind of lighten up, but it is a really pretty color. The next thing is, okay, the next thing is a mascara, and I don't need any more mascaras, so I'm not gonna open it because once you open it, I hear mascaras don't hold up very well. So it's a really nice case to have it upside down. But that's kind of what it looks like, and it is by Gourmande Girls, but when I do the card, I will go over it for sure. And the third thing, I only see 4 things in here, so I don't know. The third thing looks like it might be a blush. So it is by Manicadar Beauty, and I know we've gotten some eyeshadows or mascaras from them. And this is Paradise Blush. I'm not going to open it. It's packaged really nice. I probably will give it away because I don't need any more blushes, but it is a really pretty color. And the 4th thing in here, and I think this is why I got it. this Bubble Pop palette. This palette is huge. I have to start using all these palettes. Alright, so this is what it looks like. These are all the colors that are in the palette. So those are really nice. The inside is the same. Oh my goodness. And I'm not going to swatch these because there's so many. But look at those colors. Now that is a beautiful palette. It has quite a few mattes. And those glitters, I wish I knew how to do glitters. So let's see what everything in the box was. I'm going to try to adjust you. I don't know what I did wrong, but you keep falling over. All right. So the Rasha B Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick retails for $22. The Armora's Bubble Pop Eyeshadow Palette only retails for $15. The Shella Eyeliner Pen, which I didn't see, is $21. And the Gourmande Girls Mascara is $23.99. Oh, and they scratched off, I guess there's supposed to be a lip liner in here, and they put in the Manna Cardar blush for $21. So I didn't see the eyeliner pen, and this I want to say was $22, $23 including shipping. I think they charge shipping, but I don't know. So I will leave the link. I will leave how much it cost. It'll come up on the bottom. Let me know what you thought of this. I'm sorry my video is kind of, and you guys have an awesome day.